Hello and welcome to this video on how to convert a string into lowercase. In other words, how do you take every item in a string and make it all lowercase? This might seem like a very useless exercise, but you'll find in a lot of Python applications when you're trying to compare two strings, and Python is case sensitive, it's going to be a lot easier to compare the two if you're working with all strings being in lowercase or uppercase. So this is how we're going to do it in Python. We got two different options. We're going to create a new object called new sentence, and we're going to make that equal to, and this is the first way we do this, sentence.caseful. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to take that new sentence object. It's run the sentence through the casefold method, and when we print this off, we'll see that it's taken everything. Hello and Tim, for example, in this output are now lowercase. This is one way in which you can do this. This is a it's a more cumbersome way to do it because it catches more items in the list, more characters, and will lowercase them. A simpler way, or probably the more common way in which people do this, is they use another method called lower. And if we run this exact same program, or exact same script, you'll see that we have the exact same output. Really, it's up to you. If you're working with characters that might not be standard ASCII or whatever, try using casefold rather than lower. If, however, you're working with text files that are using a very standard set of characters, stick with lower. It's really up to you. Casefold will allow you to catch more possible things that might slip through the cracks with lower. That's really the main difference between the two. That's all for this video. Thanks for listening. If you've liked it, you found it useful, please subscribe and like down below. Have a good day.